Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create work breakdown structures in Zoho Project, your full guide for 2025. So let's get started. First up, log into your Zoho Project account and select the project you want to create a work breakdown structure for. This helps us because it takes us directly to the space where we can start breaking down our work. Now that we're here, click on Tasks in the top menu. Then, select Add Task List from the drop-down menu. The reason we do this is to initiate the process of breaking down our project into manageable chunks, which is the essence of a work breakdown structure. Next up, start adding tasks. Click on Add Task below the task list title, write the task name, and click Add. Repeat this process until you have listed all the tasks needed for your project. This is important because it helps us to visualize the workload and resources needed, providing a clearer path to project completion. Once you've added all tasks, it's time to set dependencies between them. Click on Set Dependency and choose the task it depends upon from the drop-down list. This helps us because it ensures tasks are done in the right order, preventing any possible workflow hitches down the line. Lastly, assign each task to a team member. Click on Assign To and select the appropriate team member from the drop-down list. This is a crucial step as it helps distribute the workload effectively and ensures everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. And there you have it. You've just created a work breakdown structure in Zoho Project. Remember, the beauty of this tool is in its simplicity and clarity. It allows you to visualize the entire project, making it easier to manage and complete. So, get out there and start breaking down your projects. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy project planning.